Dear students, today is the second session of second chapter, Accounting for Partnership Basic Concepts. In today's session, we will start solving the problems relating to profit and loss appropriation account. You have 6 marks problem on profit and loss appropriation account. We will learn here how to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. For learning the preparation of profit and loss appropriation account, today's class I took 2 problems from your book. One is question number 1 in your book, page number 79, problem number 23. Pramod and Praveen are 2 partners. Commenced business. They started business with a capital of investment of rupees 80,000. So Pramod capital is 80,000 rupees and Praveen capital is 60,000 rupees respectively on 1st April 2017. See, in profit and loss appropriation account, you should record only expenses and incomes. Expenses on the debit side, expenses of the firm on the debit side, and incomes of the firm on the credit side. What we have to record on the debit side? Interest on capital. Interest on capital paid by firm to partners. Interest on capital paid by firm to partners. It is an expenses to firm, record on the debit side. Salary paid by firm, that is business, to partners. It is an expenses to firm, record on the debit side. Commission paid by firm to partners. It is an expenses to firm, record on the debit side. Interest on drawings received by firm from partners. It is an income, record on the credit side. Just these are the simple entries you have to record in profit and loss appropriation account. Here in the problem, you will be given capital of the partners, you will be given drawings of the partners. Don't record capital and drawings in profit and loss appropriation account. Capital and drawings are not appropriation of profits. Interest on capital, salary, commission, debit side. Interest on drawing, credit side. These 4 items are appropriation of profit. What are the appropriation of profit items? Interest on capital, salary to partner, commission to partner, interest on drawings. These 4 items. Out of these 4 items, 3 are expenses. Interest on capital, salary, commission. These 3 are expenses to firm, record on the debit side. Interest on drawing, it is received by firm from partners, record on the credit side. Very simple. Okay. So we'll go to the problem here once again. Pramod and Praveen commenced business with a capital investment of rupees 80,000 and 60,000. Don't record this capital. Capital is not recorded. Capital don't record in the appropriation account. It is not an appropriation of profit. Respectively on 1st April 2017. They agree to share profits in the ratio of 3:2. What is the ratio? Whatever the remaining profits left in the account, whatever the remaining profits left in the profit and loss appropriation account, that will be divided in the ratio of 3:2 among partners. For the year ending 31/3/18, they earned a profit of 24,000 before allowing the following. Here, yesterday's class, I told you that before the preparation of profit and loss appropriation account, you have profit and loss account. You have profit and loss account. Final account of partnership, trading account, profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account, balance sheet. But we'll prepare only profit and loss appropriation account here. Before this account, what is the account? Profit and loss account. So they prepared, the partners have prepared their profit and loss account. In that profit and loss account, their profit is 24,000 rupees. What is their profit? 24,000. that profit you have to record in the profit and loss appropriation account. That is the first entry. So from the profit and loss account, you have to transfer the profit to profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. So what is the profit from profit and loss account? 24,000. Transfer that profit. So the profit will be on the debit side of profit and loss account. You transfer that profit from profit and loss account to profit and loss appropriation account. So that is the opening entry in the profit and loss appropriation. Transfer of profit. What is the profit of profit and loss profit and loss account? 24,000. Transfer this profit right on the credit side. First entry by profit and loss account. From which account you have taken this profit? From profit and loss account. This is net profit. Okay. So we have taken the profit from profit and loss account, and we have written in profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. For the year ending 31/3/18, they earned a profit of rupees 24,000 before allowing the following. Number 1, interest on capital at 6%. Firm will pay interest on capital to partners. See, partners have invested capital 80,000 and 60,000, and that amount firm will pay interest on capital to partners. So it is an expenses to the firm, record on the debit side. 2, interest on capital. So you have to calculate. Pramod. What is Pramod capital? How much capital Pramod have invested? 80,000. Into how much percent interest he will get from the firm? 6%. 6 by 100. 80,000 into 6%. 40. 10% means 40,000. 48,000. 4,800. 80,000 into 10%, 8,000. Half of that, 4,000. 1 more percent. 4,800. Praveen. 60,000 into 6%. How much interest Praveen will get? 60,000 into 6%, 3,600. One entry is over. Okay, it is a 6-mark question. For recording this entry, you will get 1 mark. For recording this entry, you will get another mark. Okay. Next, so we have recorded 2 entries: profit and loss on the credit side, interest on capital on the debit side. How you have calculated interest on capital? Promote capital 80,000 into 6%, 6 by 100. Praveen capital 60,000 into 6 by 100. Okay, you got interest on capital. Why you have recorded interest on capital on the debit side? Because it is paid by firm to the partners. Okay. Next, annual salary to Praveen. See, annual salary. Annual salary means 1 year salary. We are preparing 1 year account. Who will pay the salary to Praveen? Firm will pay the salary to Praveen. So it is an expenses to firm. Record on the debit side. 2. Praveen salary. How much annual salary? 5,000. No need of any calculation. Record directly. No need of any calculation. Record it directly. So annual salary recorded on the debit side. Next, interest on drawings. Partners has drawn money for their personal use. That is drawings. And that amount partners has to pay interest to firm. So partner will receive, partner will take interest on capital. Partner will take salary. It is an income to partner, but expenses to business. Expenses to business, you are recorded on the debit side. You have to see what it is to business, whether it is an expenses to business or income to business. So partner, business will pay interest to partner, expenses to business, debit side. Business will pay salary to partner, expenses to business, recorded on the debit side. Okay. Partner business will receive interest on drawings. Business will receive interest on drawings. What it is? It is an income to business. Record on the credit side. Interest on drawings. It is given in the problem. So interest on drawing, Pramod 1,500, 1,500. Praveen 1,000. So, I have recorded third adjustment also. First adjustment is regarding interest on capital. Second adjustment is salary, debit, interest on capital, debit side, salary, debit side, interest on drawings, credit side. Okay. Last adjustment, partners drawings. Partners have drawn money from their account for their personal use. So, their account balance, their capital account balance will reduce. It will not affect profit and loss appropriation account. So, drawings will not be recorded. You should not record drawings. So, out of that problem, you should not record two items. What are the two items? Capital and drawings. Capital and drawings. Just you have to make 5 entries in profit and loss appropriation account. One is profit, net profit from profit and loss account. Second one is interest on drawings. Third one is interest on capital. Fourth one is salary. If commission to partner is given in the problem, then you have to record commission. Then you have to close the account. Whatever the remaining profit is there, that remaining profit will be divided among partners in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, you have to keep in mind the entries. Just keep in mind 5 entries. 5 entries will come in this account. One entry is profit, net profit from profit and loss account. That will be given in the problem. So transfer on the credit side. Interest on drawing will be there. Transfer on the credit side. Interest on capital will be there. Transfer on the debit side and calculate it. Interest on capital you have to calculate. Salary will be given in the problem, right on the debit side. If commission is given in the problem, right on the debit side, and close the account. Then whatever the balance is there, that balance you have to transfer to partner's capital account. For that we have to prepare an account that is called profit and loss appropriation account. Let's see the total. From 24,000, 25,000, 26,500. $26,500 on the credit side minus 4,800 minus 3,600 minus 5,000. So remaining amount is 13,100. So same total you have to write here, 26,500. Total 26,500. From this deduct 4,800, 3,600, 5,000 salary paid. Okay, so balance remaining profit is 13,100. This you have to profit transfer to partners capital accounts. Promote. See how to divide. 13,100 you have to divide. 13,100 you have to divide between Pramod and Praveen in the ratio of 3:2. So here Pramod ratio is 3, Praveen ratio is 2. What is the Pramod ratio? 3. Write 3. Total ratio, total 3 plus 2, 5. So divide it. 13,100 divided by 5 multiplied by 3. 7,000 inner column you have to write 860. Don't write in the outer column. You have already written 13,100. Inner column you have to write. Praveen 13,100 into what is Praveen ratio? 2. Total 5. $5,000. You have completed the problem. See, this is the way you have to solve profit and loss appropriation account. So what are the entries you did? One is net profit on the credit side, interest on drawings on the credit side. Then interest on capital on the debit side, Praveen salary on the debit side. You have total on the, you have made a total of credit side 26,500. From that total you have deducted 4,800, 3,600 and 5,000 expenses to the firm. Then remaining profit is 13,100. That remaining profit is divided between Pramod and Praveen in the ratio of 3:2. This is the way you have to solve the problem, that is profit and loss appropriation account. This is the first problem available in your book, that is page number 79, problem number 23. Okay, so we'll go for the next problem, second problem. See the second problem. The second problem number 2, question number 2. In your book, it is page number 80. Problem number 24 in your book. Okay. Sachin and Pratham commence business in partnership with capital of rupees 1 lakh and 80,000. What is their capital? Sachin capital is 1 lakh. Pratham capital is 80,000. Okay, so don't record capital in appropriation account. Capital is just given for calculation of interest on capital. Don't record capital because it is not an appropriation of profit. Respectively on 1/4/2015, agreeing to share profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. What is the ratio? Whatever the remaining profit in the account, that remaining profit you have to divide in 3:2 ratio. It is given in the problem. For the year ending 31/3/2016, they earned a profit of rupees 36,000. What is their profit? As per profit and loss account, 36,000. And the year ending is 2016. I will change the date. Year ending is 2016. First problem year ending is, first problem year ending is 2018. First problem year ending is for the year ending 31/3/2018. Keep in mind, change in your notes. First problem year ending is 31/3/2018. Second problem year ending is 31/3/2016. I will change it. 31/3/2016. Okay. Now the profit is 36,000. What is the first entry you have to do you have to do in the account? That is their net profit. They earned a profit of rupees 36,000 before allowing. What is the profit as per? How much profit they earned during the year? That is 31/3/2016. 36,000 rupees they earned the profit. How you have calculated that profit? That is from profit and loss account. It is calculated in profit and loss account. 36,000 the net profit you will get from profit and loss account, and this profit you have to transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so that profit you have to transfer on the credit side. By profit and loss account, net profit 36,000. Now come to the adjustment. Interest on capital at 5% per annum. As I told you, interest on capital is paid by firm to partners. Firm to partners. Paid by firm to partners. It is an expenses to firm. Expenses to firm means this side you will record on the debit side. To interest on capital, Sachin and Pratham. Sachin and Pratham. What is Sachin? How you will calculate? Sachin capital is 1 lakh. Sachin capital is 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 5%. 5,000 rupees. Okay. Then Pratham capital is 80,000. 80,000 into 5%. 4,000. 1 lakh into 5%. 80,000 into 5%. Second adjustment. Interest on drawings. Interest on drawing received by firm from partners. Sachin 600. Pratham 1,000. Interest on drawing is received by firm from partners. It is an income to firm. Income in this side you will record, credit side. By interest on drawings, Sachin, how much received from Sachin? 600. Pratham 1,000. So this is the interest on drawing received from the partners. That is credit side. Third adjustment, yearly salary. Yearly means 1 year salary. Yearly salary to Pratham 10,000 rupees. Yearly salary. This is the account for 1 year. So yearly salary is given. Just you have to record the salary. Salary is paid by firm to partner. Record on the debit side. To whose salary it is? Pratham salary. $10,000. And yearly salary to Pratham 10,000. And commission to Sachin rupees 4,000. Commission. So the partner has done some agency work, some extra work, some agency work for the firm. For that he will be given commission. Partner will be given commission. Who will pay the commission? Firm will pay the commission to partner. So it is an expenses to firm, record on the debit side. Commission to Sachin, commission. How much? 4,000 rupees. Okay, see, we have completed the entries. And last adjustment, their drawings during the year, Sachin 16,000, Pratham 20,000. Don't record these drawings. Drawings will not be recorded in the account. Appropriation is only interest on capital, interest on drawings, salary, commission. These four are appropriations. If there is any other expenses is given, that you have to take, but you should not take capital and drawings. Okay, so we have completed the problem. Now we will see what is the remaining profit in the account. Here 36,000, 37,000, 600 rupees on the credit side. 37,600. Here also right? 37,600. From 37,600, deduct the expenses. 37,600 minus 5,000 interest paid to Sachin, minus 4,000 interest paid to Pratham, minus 10,000 salary paid to Pratham, minus 4,000 commission paid to Sachin. Remaining profit is 14,600. 14,600. This profit is divided between Sachin and Pratham. See, I have written the entry to profit transfer to partners capital accounts. 14,600. 14,600. How you will divide? Sachin ratio is 3. Total ratio is 5. 3 by 5. Okay. So 14,000 divided by 5 into 3. 8,760. Pratham, 14,600 you are dividing. 14,600. Pratham ratio is 2. Total ratio is 5. 14,600 divided by 5 into 2. 5,000. Okay. So this is the way you have to do profit and loss appropriation account. Very simple. Keep in mind the 5 entries. Profit on the credit side, interest on drawing on the credit side, interest on capital on the debit side, salary on the debit side, commission on the debit side, and whatever the remaining profits, divide among partners. Don't record capital and drawings. Okay. Today's this much is enough for today's class. Next class we will continue the same problems. Thank you.